This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Telegram account is active and your phone number is verified, because the app limits some searches otherwise. Once done, enable contacts sync and let Telegram index contacts so mutual group results surface. Next, gather the first actionable items. Write down keywords, usernames, and any partial invite links you already have. These details let you pivot quickly into advanced search methods rather than guessing, and they increase the chance of finding relevant. You now perform detailed searches. Start in the main search box. Type usernames and keyword variations, because private groups sometimes appear via linked usernames or shared posts. Then check contacts and open shared media with specific friends to find invite links they received. Make sure to scan saved messages too. If those fail, use mutual contact discovery, open a contact profile, and view shared groups to see private groups you both belong to. These steps reveal indirect paths to groups that don't show up in global search. Finish by requesting invite links from trusted contacts or group admins. You'll need explicit invites for many private groups, so ask succinctly and explain why you want access. Once you join, pin or save the invite to avoid losing it. If nothing works, troubleshoot. Review your privacy settings and allow contact sync, then force reindexing by toggling the permission or reinstalling Telegram. If you still can't find a group, don't attempt scraping. Reach out to a mutual member instead for a legitimate invite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.